Hi, I'm Stuart, and we're going to be going over the optical wire meter tracer, and it is number or model number NF-8508. That's the optical wire meter tracer, NF-8508. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm opening up the box. I have not opened it yet. It's a nice case in here. Box is empty. Nice box, decent box, has all the specs written on the outside, what it can do, accessories, a picture of an operation. We'll put that to the side. Now we have a nice travel case. I really like the travel case. A lot smaller than my other tester. Okay, what do we have in here? We have the manual, which undoubtedly I will have to read. Okay. It's not one of those intuitive. Well, maybe we'll see how intuitive it is. Now we got some accessories, some RJ45, RJ11 clips that are in here. We got a charging cable, USB-C, which is very nice. We got an inspection warranty card, and well, an inspection card. Okay, that goes there. Anything else in here? We got some headphones for the tone generator, in case you're in a noisy environment. So that's empty there. Now we get to the nice stuff, the testers. This is the scanner. This is the tone wand to pick up the tone generator from this unit. This unit beeps, and then with this wand, you find the beeping wire that's connected to this. So it doesn't come charged. There's no charger right now, which kind of sucks. But it feels like it's made pretty well. Yeah. Pretty good build on this thing. Got an Ethernet jack on the front. I mean on the back. Or the bottom. Yeah, the bottom. Ethernet jack on the bottom. Little dial for your volume. And your selections for your function buttons. 4 function buttons. That's kind of cool. Now we have the tester itself. And it's got some continuity testers on the side, length, flashing on the side. So this has different connectors for different functionality on the sides. Has the function buttons on the front. Nice rubber feel. Construction feels pretty good. Pretty solid. You got your ports for the optical fiber. It does optical fiber testing, so you connect them to the top. There's another Ethernet port on the top. So it's 3 Ethernet ports altogether. It looks like it's overall built pretty well. Let's see, does it have a charge? It turned on. See, how does that feel? Seems pretty responsive. That's cool. So we're going to make some videos and actually how to use it. And that's the unboxing. So thank you for watching.